Now, it's time to start Christmas shopping, and there isn't a better way to do it than shopping local and keeping the money right here in Jacksonville. So I've got Zephra Williams. She's one of those aforementioned makers, and you'll be able to buy from at Prime Osborn. So thanks for hanging out with us.
Thanks for having me.
So what exactly is this event called?
It's Market for Makers.
And when we were talking, I was like, oh, okay, this is all Jacksonville, but you said there are a few people coming from out of town, but this is really a big event where local makers are getting a chance to show their wares and keep that money here in Jacksonville.
Absolutely.
So before we get into that, tell me a little bit about your shop. What do you do?
So my shop is Sunkissed Shellz, and it is a coastal vacation vibe. Everything has shells, pearls, and a little bit of crystals. I do a lot of wire wrapping.
That's a lot of work. So you're a true artist as well. Is that kind of the thing we'll see from most of these people, or most of the shops? It are people that are making their own like collections and stuff, because what I'm seeing on the table is very distinct. So before we get into the makers market, I was thinking, oh, this is a yearly thing. And you're like, well, it is, but it doesn't always land in Jacksonville. So this is pretty huge.
Yeah, you can catch this market in Miami, New York, all over. And if you want to go on yourself, you can apply on the website, and as a maker yourself, you can pick the city you're closest to, and there's so many opportunities to vend.
So why was it important for you to be a part of this?
Well, this is my first time, and I'm always looking for different ways to be in the community. I'm usually at a market every Saturday, so this is fun that we get to do Saturday and Sunday.
And it's a big market. I mean, I'm not throwing any shade at like Ram or out there at the beaches or any of the other various markets, but when you're inside the Prime Osborn, it's like, whoa, a great big hall, and it's probably like shopping overload. So bring your credit cards and lots of bags.
Yes, I'm super excited, and you can go online and you can get your tickets early, and they have a hour that you can go in before everybody else goes in from 10 to 11. This is Saturday and Sunday.
So would you suggest people get in early, because maybe by the end of the weekend things are already going to be picked through and all the good stuff's taken?
I would definitely suggest come Saturday, and then Sunday is probably going to be a lot of fun too, but definitely get there early.
And these are some of the vendors. So what kind of stuff are we looking at on the table?
So outside of my jewelry section here, we have a glass vendor. She also does resin art. We also have a laser woodwork artist. His work is amazing, and if you look over here as well, you can see this picture is phenomenal. I would love to have that on my wall.
Right?
Then we have a fun baker here. She said I get to keep the cookies, so I'm excited. And then we have local honey as well.
And how important is it that local vendors have an opportunity like this to shine like they do?
It's very important. Without these markets, we really can't make a living. And I know you already name dropped Ram, but I'm there every Saturday, and it's made this possible for me. I've been doing it for about 6 years now.
And then really quick, this is your jewelry.
Yes.
And so I see the shells, I see the shark teeth. Did you collect the shark teeth? You get somebody else to do it. I'm kidding.
So I actually do have a friend who gets all of the shark's teeth for me,
nice.
and she's local. She has a specific eye for it. She's amazing.
I've been here 10 years, have never found my own shark tooth. I admit it.
I found one.
But that's amazing. And the stuff you're doing, what inspired you to make these creations?
So I was living out in Hawaii for about a year, and
there you go.
I've absolutely loved art my whole life, but that's where I really got inspired to mix art with shells. And here we have a sunrise shell, and these are only found in Hawaii. You have to go snorkeling for them. So that was kind of my first inspiration to get into it, and growing up in Jacksonville, I have always collected shells, so it was kind of an easy transfer.
Just bringing it full circle. So I like what you're doing, all right? So the Market for Makers will be at Prime Osborn Convention Center this Saturday and Sunday from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. There is a VIP event that you can look into. So you can find out more at marketsformakers.com or follow them on their socials at Markets for Makers. So good luck with your sales this weekend, and I like these shells. They're cute. I'm gonna have to, we'll talk about it. Can I get a discount? Support your locals, people. We'll be back with more River City Live after the break.
Thanks.